Hey everyone, if you're loving the 2024 Kia Sportage as much as I am, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Make sure you subscribe to stay updated on all the latest car reviews and updates, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think about this beauty. Also, share this video with your friends who are car enthusiasts. It helps the channel grow and keeps the content coming. Let's dive into the features of this amazing SUV. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Kia Sportage, an SUV that's really turning heads this year. Kia has taken the Sportage to a whole new level with its sleek design, advanced technology, and performance features. Starting with the exterior, you can't miss the bold front grille and the striking LED headlights that give it a confident, modern look. The 2024 Sportage is available in several trims, each bringing something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for off-road capability with the X Pro trim or something more city-focused with the X or SX Prestige, there's a model for everyone. Inside, the cabin is packed with tech, from the massive 12.3-inch touchscreen display to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, it's got one of the most spacious interiors in its class, offering plenty of comfort for both drivers and passengers. And let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Sportage offers a 2.5L four-cylinder engine that delivers up to 187 horsepower. There's even a hybrid option if you're looking for more efficiency. Safety is also a top priority, with features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring coming standard on many trims. What do you think of the new Sportage? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Overall, the 2024 Kia Sportage is a great mix of style, tech, and capability, making it a solid choice for anyone in the market for a new SUV.